And dear students, this is one more video for the topic correlation. As I already told you, I have divided this topic into two videos. In earlier video, I have given you the concept, the meaning of correlation, and Carl Pearson's method or the product movement method of measurement of correlation. Now in this video, I am going to show you how we can measure correlation for non-parametric variables, how we can measure the correlation for qualitative variables rather we can say. So in this video, I am going to explain you, I am going to show you the Spearman's rank difference method. So if we are having qualitative variables, how we can find out the relationship between qualitative variables. And in 1904, it was Charles Edward Spearman who developed a formula to calculate the coefficient of correlation of qualitative variables. And this method is known as Spearman's rank difference method. So you have to remember certain points before we start the example, we start to solve the question. First, what is the rank difference? When we are having qualitative variables, that means those variables we cannot quantify them. We cannot, we don't have any measuring rod for them. So we give the ranks. So when ranks are given, so then you have to calculate the difference between ranks. Then you have to calculate the square of the difference of the ranks, that is d square. And then what you have to do, then you can use that value in the formula and you can find out the rank, you can find out the correlation. And when we talk about this rank difference method, there are two things. One, when ranks are given. If the ranks are given, you can directly calculate the difference and square of the difference and you can use in the formula. If ranks are not given, then what you have to do, you have to give the ranks first. And in giving ranks, you have to remember certain points. If sometimes there are repeated observations or the value of the variable is same for different observations, at that time what you will do, you have to give the same rank to these observations. So that is known as repeated rank method. If there is no case of repeated ranks, then it is easy for you to give the ranks. But if you are giving higher rank to the highest value in one variable, you have to give the you have to follow the same procedure for the other variable as well. For example, if one variable is x and you are giving first rank to the highest value, and in y you have to give the highest rank, you have to give the first rank to the highest value, okay, or vice versa. And in case of repeated ranks, there is slight change in formula. At that time it is r is equal 1 minus 6 summation of d square plus 1 by 12 m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2 plus dash dash. It will be repeated number of times. How many times there is repeated ranks in the question. If the number of repeated ranks it is 3, then this will be m1, m2 and m3. If it is only 1, it will be m1. If it is 2, it will be m2, m1 and m2. So, and how many times a rank repeats? How many times a rank repeats? One is how many times there are, how many repeated ranks are there. But how many times a rank repeats, that is the value of m. If rank repeats twice, that is, for example, you are giving say 8th rank to the 3 variables, then m will be 3. If you are giving 8 rank to the 3 observations, then M will be at that time 3. If you are giving for example 5th and 6th rank, the observations are same, so you are giving 5.5, 5.5 to both these observations, then M will be 2. So M, value of M here means how many times a rank repeats. So let us do the exercise so that it will be easy for you to understand. Question is, 7 methods of teaching economics in 2 universities are shown below. Teaching methods are given. Calculate rank difference correlation. And methods are given first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and say university A is there, university B is there, and rank of A students and rank of B students, you can see the ranks. And when first method is used, rank 2 for A students and rank 1 for B students. For second, for A it is 1 and for B it is 3. For third method, for A 5, B 2. For so here ranks are given. So you did not give the ranks. Ranks are already given. So let's assume that rank RA, that is the rank for A students, and RB is the rank for B students. So we have to find out the difference between ranks. RA minus RB, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 4 minus 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 6 is 0. Now square of the ranks. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square is 9, 1 square 1, 3 square is 9, and 2 square is 4. And summation of the square of the difference of the ranks, summation of d square is 28. And we know formula is 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n cube minus n. So it is 1 minus 6 into 28, because we have already found summation of d square is 28. And n is 7. So n cube, 7 cube is 243 minus 7. So RK rank difference is 0.5. So there is moderate positive correlation between the methods A's and B, student A and student B, rank of student A and rank of student B. So let us do one more question. This is for the repeated ranks. You can see here marks are given for economics and history. Economics and history. And marks for economics 66, 90, 89, 55, 58, 44 and 42. So marks are given, not ranks. So you have to give the ranks. And marks for history 58, 76, 65, 58, 53, 49 and 56. So let us give the rank R1 for economics. So let us give the highest rank, first rank to the highest value. So 90 highest rank first आएगी, 89 उसके बाद है तो second rank, 66 third rank, 58 fourth rank, 55 fifth rank, and 44 sixth rank, 42 seventh rank. And number of observation is 7. In history, so in economics we followed that highest value first rank. So in the history we have to follow highest value first rank. Highest value यहाँ पे 76 है, so we will give the first rank. Then 65 second rank. Then third is 58, but 58 is repeated twice. So observations are same, so we cannot give the different ranks. What we have to do? We have to give the same ranks. So एक 58 को third rank आएगी, दूसरे को fourth rank आएगी. So we have to give the same rank. So we will do 3 average of the ranks. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 3.5. 3.5 and 3.5. Now third rank and fourth rank both are occupied. Now we have to give the fifth rank. Then after that it is 56. So fifth rank होगी, and 53 sixth rank होगी, 49 seventh rank होगी. Now look at the difference of ranks, R1 minus R2. 3 minus 3.5, that is 0.5. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 3.5 1.5, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 7 minus 5 2. And when we square the difference, this 0.5 into 0.5 0.25, 0 into 0 0 into 0, so 1.25 into 1.25 is 2.25. Then is 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 is 4, and summation of d square is 11.50. And here we know that 58 is repeated 2 times in series, so M1 will be equal to 2. And there is only one repeated rank, so then it will be only M1, not M2. So summation 1 minus 6 summation of d square plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m. And 6 into summation of d square is 11.50 plus 1 by 12 into 2 cube is 8 minus 2, that is 6. So that is 11.50 plus 0.5, that is 12. So 1 minus 6 into 12 divided by 243 minus 7. And when you will solve this, you will get rank is equal to 0.79. That there is moderate, there is high positive correlation. Let's have one more question. Find out rank correlation of x and y. And observations are given, not ranks. So we have to give the ranks. X values are there and y values are there, and is equal to 8 observations are there. So x is 80, 78, 75, 75, 58, 67, 60 and 59. So 80 is the highest value, first rank. Then second rank 78. Third rank is 75 and 75 is repeated. So third and fourth rank. So they will get these two will get 3.5 rank. And then fourth rank is already occupied. So now we have to go for the fifth rank. Then it is 67 fifth rank milegi. 60 sixth rank, 59 seventh rank and 58 8th rank मिलेगी. Now for y, highest rank 17 highest value है, so it will be 17 rank first. Then for second it is 16 2 rank, 15 इसको 3 rank मिलेगी. Then it is 14 and 14 thrice. That means 4th rank, 5th rank and 6th rank. So we have to take the average. 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3. So the average is 5. So we have to give 5, 5, 5. 5th rank to 14. And now 4th, 5th and 6th is already occupied. Now we have to give, after this value is 13, we have to give the rank. तो उसको जो है कि जो 14 3 times थे उनको हमने 5, 5, 5 दिया है. Then for 13 it will not be 6 but it will be 7 because 6th rank is already occupied. And for 12 it will be 8. Now we check the difference. D is equal to R1 minus R2. 1 minus 8 minus 7. 2 minus 7 minus 5. 3.5 minus 5 1.5. 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5. 8 minus 5 it is 3. 5 minus 2 it is 3. 6 minus 3 it is 3. And 7 minus 1 it is 6. Now square of the ranks. Difference of the ranks. 7 into 49, 5 into 5 25, 1.5 into 1.5 2.25, 1.5 into 1.5 2.25, 3 square is 9, 3 square 9, 3 square is 9 and 6 square is 36. And when we sum up these, the summation of d square it is equal to 141.5. And now we have to use this value in the formula. We know that n is equal to 8, summation of d square is 141.5. And number of repeated ranks it is 2. X में एक है, R1 में एक है and R2 में एक है. But in R1 it is number of जो repeatances है, the number of repeated rank जो है, how many times the rank repeats, it is 2 times. And in R2 a rank repeats thrice. So M1 it will be 2 and M2 will be 3. Because in y it repeats thrice. So 1 minus 6 summation of d square plus 1 by 12 m cube m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2. Why m1 and m2? Because there are 2 repeated ranks. 2 repeated ranks. Okay. In x 75 and 75 2 observations are same. And in y 3 observations are same. 14, 14 and 14. And R1 2 ranks are वहाँ पे जो 1 rank is repeated twice 3.5 and 3.5. And in R2 1 rank is repeated thrice 5, 5, 5. 5th rank. So 1 minus 6 summation of d square is 141.50 plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 3 cube minus 3. Why 3 cube? Because 5 is repeated thrice. Divided by 8 cube minus 8, that is 512 minus 8. And when we will solve this, it will be 6 into 141.50 plus 2 cube is 8 minus 2, that is 6. 1 by 12 into 6, that is 1.2. 1 by 2 plus then it will be 3 cube. 27 minus 3, that is 24. 24 divided by 12, it is 2. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So it will be equal to 6 into 141.50 plus 2.5. So it will be equal to 6 into 144. 144. So 1 minus 6 into 144 divided by 504, and RK, it will be equal to 0.71 minus 0.71. So when you will solve this, rank difference will be equal to 1 minus 1.714. So RK will be equal to minus 0.714. So there is moderate negative correlation. So this is how we can solve questions if you, with the help of this rank difference method. So if you are having question and you have to solve the question, you have to remember these points. First, you have to give the ranks if ranks are not given, and you have to give the same rank to the equal observations. And if there are repeated ranks, so there is slight difference in the formula, and you have to remember that difference, what you have to add if there are repeated ranks, and what will be the value of m, and how many times m will repeat in the formula. It depends upon the repeated ranks. And value of m, it depends upon the number of times a rank repeats itself. Thank you very much.